Yo guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will share 10 ways how you guys can also make money with your Instagram account. So let's get straight into it. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Peter. I'm the founder of Highway of Success, and on this channel I will share a lot of valuable content for startup entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs on Instagram, and on this channel I will share a lot of value, how you can make money on Instagram, on social media, how you can create your own startup, how you can found your own startup. So I will give you a lot of value. So I have a lot of experience, and I collected a lot of experience in the past. So I had my own startup in Silicon Valley. So, and I will give you all my learnings to you, that you can create your own business, and I will share all my failures with you. And today I will share 10 ways how you can make money on Instagram. And I would say let's start. So way number one is shoutouts. So you can sell shoutouts on your Instagram page, but for that you need a lot of followers, unfortunately. So you need 15, 20, 30, 40, 50k followers, and basically it starts on 50k followers that you can make money with shoutouts. Means that you can share other pages content in your stories or in your feed posts. So that's a great way how you can sell the advertisement space on your page. Then way number two is you can create an ebook. Ebooks are a good way to earn money online. So you can create an ebook, how you can make money on YouTube. Maybe you can create an ebook how to cook good meals or whatever. Okay, so it depends on your niche, but basically in every niche you can create an ebook or a cheat sheet or whatever. Okay, so that's also a good way to make your first $100 or $200, whatever, with social media. So way number three is digital courses. Okay, so you can make money with digital courses, and you can create these courses with ClickFunnels maybe. So you can create a membership area, so people pay for that membership area. So you create videos with high value, and with high value content, where you teach them how they can make money with Instagram, maybe how they can train their dog or whatever. Okay, so it depends also on your niche, but digital courses are highly profitable as well. So way number four is podcasts. Okay, so if you have your own podcast, so you can monetize the podcast with the advertisement space on the podcast page, and you can also sell interviews. Maybe you have an crypto podcast, startup podcast, or whatever. Okay, so on the beginning you can do that for free, and after you have a big audience, you can sell the interviews for maybe 50, $100. Okay, so that means, so that's good money. And when you sell the interviews or the advertisement space, it's also a good way how you can make money online. So the way number five is consulting business. Okay, so the consulting business is a highly profitable business, and you can do consulting in every niche, I think. So, but the best niche is the social media niche. Okay, so you can also help people to set up an Instagram page. You can help people to set up an TikTok page. You can help people to set up Facebook groups or whatever. Okay, so you can help and consult people how they can build their own businesses. Okay, way number six is social media agencies. Okay, social media agencies. So I think a lot of people outside there have a social media agency. Okay, and with the agency, you can help your customers to create a business. Okay, that means that you not only help them, so that means that you work for them. Okay, so you create an Instagram page for them, you create content for them, so you have different services to create videos, to create postings, stories, pictures, whatever. Okay, so with all these things you can cover in a social media agency, and that's a really good way to create your own first company in the digital business niche. So the next way number 7, is a YouTube channel. Okay, so you can also create a YouTube channel how I do here with Highway of Success. So I will share all my experience, what I collected in Silicon Valley. Okay, so that means you can also create a video channel on YouTube where you share all your experience with dogs within the beauty niche. So you can make a food channel where you share all your meals, what you're cooking, so whatever. Okay, so you can create a YouTube channel, reach 1,000 subscribers, and then you can monetize your channel too. So way number 8 is brand merchandise. So if you have your own brand, so you can create merchandise products, means a hoodie or sunglasses with your name on it. You can create t-shirts or whatever. Okay, and if you have a good fan base, if you have a great brand, so you can create a store, you can create merchandise products, and then you can sell them. Okay, so if you are a good gamer and you have your own gaming channel and you have a lot of fans, so you can create your own hoodie with your logo and you can sell that for $50. So that's a good way how you can make money online. Then the next way number 9, is an e-commerce store. So means drop shipping or Shopify store. So drop shipping is also a good way, but it needs also a lot of start capital. That means you need money to create your business, to earn money with it. So I think you need around $1,000 because you have to create the store, you have to pay for Shopify, you have to pay for your creatives. Otherwise you can do it by yourself as well. So Shopify and drop shipping is also a good way how you can make money. I will also make a new video in the future about dropshipping as well, because I tested dropshipping too. I have my own dropshipping store, and I will share all my results in the future with you guys. And yeah, the last way how you can also make money is mentorships. So mentorships are a great way how you can make a lot of money online. And basically I also give mentorships. So if you're interested in a business mentorship, if you need help to set up your own business, your startup, you don't have know-how in creating logos, designs, or whatever, or you also need a mentor that helps you to monetize your Instagram page, so I will help you. So reach out to me, contact me on Instagram. I will help you definitely. And mentorship's a great way how you can help people. You can work one-on-one with your clients, you can help them, and yeah, that's a really good way to make money online. Yeah, that's it, guys. So if you like my channel, if you like the stuff what I'm doing, so please subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like, comment below, and help me and the algorithm to grow this account. So if you want see more in the future, I'm happy to stay for long term. Okay, so basically I will help you out, guys. I will share a lot of value in the future. And thank you for watching, and we see us in the next video. Bye bye, guys.